In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for Freshsales in just a few minutes. If you're a business owner, sales manager, or simply looking for a better way to manage leads and customers, getting started with Freshsales is a smart first step. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or laptop. In the search bar, type Freshsales and open the official Freshworks Sales CRM page. You can also go directly to the Freshsales website if you already know the address. Once you're on the Freshsales page, look for the option that says Try it free or Sign up for free. This button is usually easy to spot at the top of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll now see a sign up form. Start by entering your full name followed by your work email address. Make sure you use an active email since Freshsales may send you a verification message or important updates. Next, enter your company name and your phone number. Providing accurate details here helps set up your account properly and make support easier later on. After filling in your details, click Continue with Email. At this stage, you'll be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once your password is set, your Freshsales account will be created. You can now log in and start exploring the dashboard, adding leads, managing contacts, and customizing the CRM to fit your sales process. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Freshsales and you're ready to start organizing and growing your sales pipeline. Thanks for watching and feel free to explore more guides to get the most out of Freshsales.